Pesche dolce alla crema is the name given to Molise's most beautiful round cookie that gets filled with a luxurious cream and then all decorated up to look like beautiful, delicate peaches. And mine starts with that luscious pastry cream. So a little sugar in my eggs will sweeten things up. And then the flour is what's going to thicken my pastry cream to that wonderful consistency that I need to be able to fill those lovely little cookies. I've just gently warmed up some milk with a little lemon zest in it to give just that little citrus hint. Now tempering my eggs by whisking in a little of the hot milk will ensure I don't overcook the eggs and have a silky smooth pastry cream. Beautiful. Now this goes back into the pan over a gentle heat. Too hot and it could scorch. And if I don't keep stirring, it's going to be lumpy. And you can see how my pastry cream has thickened up nicely. That is a great consistency. Now, a little butter. Let that melt through. A little peach liqueur takes it to the next level. That is very good. Sure it's whisked all the way through. Off the heat. So creamy. Here's a trick. Little piece of plastic wrap. Make sure you don't get a skin on that pastry cream. Off to the fridge to cool down. These cookies were made with a very straightforward cookie dough recipe. Melted butter makes the cookie chewy. The right consistency is smooth. Good walnut-sized pieces gives you the perfect size peach. Believe it or not, these will soon become lusciously filled cream peaches. I need to make a little room for that lovely custardy filling. Just removing a small amount like that. And I need to do this to 2 of them because they're going to sandwich together. Now, my pastry cream. Remember the plastic wrap I put on top? Look at that, no skin. Beautiful, creamy, peachy pastry cream. That pastry cream is really good. Now, it's about being generous. You could see just a little bit of that peach pastry cream peeking through. Next step, simple syrup. Then equal parts sugar and water brought to a boil. A light brush all over. You then roll that peach into this fine sugar. Onto the plate. A little clove to act as the stem. And a beautiful mint leaf. This is the classic pesche dolce alla crema. I have a few more peaches to take care of.
C'era una volta un gatto che si è sposato, lasciandolo solo a pulizzare la casa. Poverino gatto.
Peaches, anyone? Well, I must say, I am really pleased with the way my pesche dolce alla crema turned out. Lovely, soft and tender cookie, filled with that moist, wonderful, voluptuous cream. And the peach it really pops out. This is a terrific way to wrap up a Molise feast.